In machine learning, validation techniques are used to evaluate how well your trained model is performing on unseen data. There are various methods, but let's discuss holdout validation technique today. Let's say your dataset has 100 rows of data. For those who are confused, these are the rows and these are the columns. In that 100 rows of data, in holdout validation, we will be splitting the dataset into 80 and 20. Few people also split into 70 or 30 depending upon your use cases. I'm splitting 80 and 20. So 80% of rows for training we'll be using and 20 rows for validation. So the 80 rows we will be using is known as training set and these 20 rows we'll be using is known as validation set. Let's implement them to understand in more better way. I'm importing all the libraries here, whatever needed. To implement holdout validation, we need sklearn's library known as train test split. So I'm also implementing that here. And I'm loading the iris dataset. Here, as you can see, we need to define the test size that we need to validate. As we have decided that we will be using 80, 20, 80 for training and 20 for validation. Same thing, we need to define it here. And the shuffle, we need to turn it as true because we need to shuffle few rows to avoid any inaccuracy for the model, and the random state 42 to get the exact same split every time. So basically this is how we're going to implement holdout validation. This was just a simple program to give you an example. So let's move to other validation techniques in the next video. Stay tuned.